How to use Kindle Paperwhite. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how to get started with your Kindle Paperwhite series. Now ensure it's charged, make sure to turn it on by pressing the power button and set up your language and reason as well. After which, what you have to do is you simply want to follow the on-screen prompt to set up language, reason, Wi-Fi connected, all that. Then what you have to do is swipe left to go to the previous page, swipe right to go to the next page. After which, what you need to do is tap the top of the screen to access the menu, which include options for returning out to the home screen and adjusting font size and accessing bookmark and highlights, all that. And once you've actually done it, then you could also swipe down from the top of the screen to access display settings, including brightness and dark mode, all that. The next thing is highlighting text by pressing and holding on it and then dragging to select it. You could also add notes to highlighted section as well. And Wi-Fi used for downloading books and syncing, while Bluetooth allows you to connect to the accessories as well. So these are some of the basic features you could use with the Kindle Paperwhite SE. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.